Hello friends, I'm Olga, and today we'll see a low-key celebration of a favorite Dutch holiday, King's Day. Let's walk along Amsterdam streets and see what it looks like now in lockdown time. And in the end of this video, I'll show you of what it used to be in the previous years before lockdown. So unfortunately, because of the lockdown, the bright celebration of this national holiday was cancelled. And that's how Amsterdam streets look like this here. People gather in small groups, just friends. All the cafes and restaurants are still closed. Local pubs try to sell beer and some food in the street. And here on these pictures you can see what these celebrations looked like couple of years ago. So everybody is dressed in orange because orange is a national Dutch color. Well, hopefully these difficulties will come to an end soon and people of all countries will be able to have bright celebrations and travel all around the world. Thank you for watching. Bye!